We are going on vacation.
Holiday is a time of rest from work, school, etc.
We are going to travel by plane.
This is a plane.
We are taking a taxi.
Hello. We would like to check in. Check-in is the process that an airline approves airplane passengers to board an airplane for a flight. Hello. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here they are.
Okay. Here are your passports and your boarding passes. Your boarding pass is an official card that you have to show before you get onto a plane. You will be boarding at gate A5 at 10:15.
We should put our bags on the X-ray machine.
We are going to our gate. Gate is a place where you leave an airport building to get on a plane. We should wait here for boarding announcement.
We are going to the plane.
Welcome. I hope you enjoy your flight. The plane is taking off. Please fasten your seat belt. Takeoff means the plane rises into the air from the ground. What would you like to eat? We have pizza or chicken.
We would like pizza, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes. 2 glasses of water, please.
The captain is speaking. We are landing. Please fasten your seatbelt.
We're going to the baggage claim to get our bags.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.